What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna try to catch you guys all up to speed on what's going to be happening with the new motor, what's gonna happen with the old motor, and where we're at on trying to get this thing ready for a big event coming up. So, the new motors parts have came in. We're going to be unboxing those tonight. And then with the old motor, it is currently stuck. Myself nor my dad can turn it over when you hook a socket and a ratchet up to the crank to turn it over. It won't turn. So we're trying to figure out how to get the rest of the torque converter nuts off of the engine. So it will hopefully be going on a hoist soon as I continue to unbolt the rest of the belongings that it has. But, on a side note from all of that, this is unboxing parts with Brittany Built. So first things first, my auto body tool and things. My beautiful ace ratchets. Gorgeous. I'm not allowed to look at those books anymore because they tell you more Milwaukee things you can buy. And I would just be more in debt than I already am. But wait. And then, big guns. This one will be featured in the next video as I work on my car. I think it has, maybe. I use a stabby tool, but I don't know many knives. Yeah, I just opened that with a pencil. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Ooh, this moves carrying us. It would be really cool if it wasn't upside down. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. What's this? Oh, he's a baby boy. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh, they really stressed him on there. Look, this is the baby. Isn't exactly what I was expecting, but I think it'll work, right? Little baby. Little baby Milwaukee tool. Ugly duggies. I might have to read the instructions on this one. There's some buttons up here. I don't know what they mean, but we're gonna figure that out together. Intake manifold. They have finally came in. Here is one of them. I got them powder coated from Sportland Coatings here in Nebraska, and I'm all 100% pleased with how they turned out. He did such an amazing job of making these bad boys look brand new. So if you need anything powder coated, or like these are, ceramic coated, hit up your man. We also have, we're supposed to be back ordered, but I pulled up a couple strings and got my valve covers. I ordered these from Summit, but ended up pulling a few strings. They're currently on back order, but I know a guy who knows a guy who knows a guy who, with a couple extra dollars, I got them here a little bit sooner. So, unfortunately, they're back ordered till like February 6th. You can purchase them from Summit, Speedway, any retailer that deals with Ford parts. I think they're gonna look great. And then Summit had a breather valve that is supposed to fit. And I think this one, either the grommet goes on this one or the breather valve does. I'm sure it'll be common sense as I get to doing that, I hope. Then yes, here's my Scott Drake grommet because these are Scott Drake valve covers. They do have a blue chrome kind, but I like the chrome better. And then maybe it came with instructions, maybe not. Oh, stickers! I love stickers. Instructions. There are no instructions. You wing it. Okay. So this is my packing slip. So thank you for unboxing parts with me. We're so close to having this dream become a reality. So always remember, dreams don't become a reality unless they're built. And we'll be working on the car again really soon. Cold weather, the holiday, and my 2 jobs really just kind of threw everything for a loop. But my goal is to have the motor pulled this weekend or next, and then the new motor in around that same time. So we are right on track with my mental schedule that I have. So stay tuned for all the crazy cool things coming. If we get the motor unstuck, what's gonna happen with the old motor, all of that. So don't forget to subscribe down below and not miss a single drop of the new parts, the new tools, and all the crazy things about to happen. And all the crazy things about to happen. See you guys next week.